ما وراء الطبيعة.
Wait. This is too much. No, anything. Check the phone because you changed it.
Oh!
Welcome back. This is Yusuf and
Maeva in the same jumper.
in this video we will have a review on the new series Paranormal, which is ما وراء الطبيعة, and this is the first Egyptian series that's been produced by Netflix, which is
cool.
Yes,
it's cool.
And
it hasn't come out yet, has it?
Yeah, no, it's going to be on
November 13th.
No, it's November 5th of November.
What?
Why are you shouting out your birthday?
It says it there.
What? Wait. I've seen the post that
it says November 13th.
This said 5th of November.
Yeah,
see?
Yeah, but
it's in Arabic, but I swear it's 5 of November.
Wikipedia says November 13th.
Let's see.
I didn't lie. I didn't lie.
Would you mind me just say something in Arabic, please?
Don't.
So, ما وراء الطبيعة ده أول مسلسل ينتج من نتفليكس في مصر، وده ثالث إنتاجات نتفليكس للمنتجات العربية، سواء يعني في مصر والدول العربية كلها، ومخرج هو عمرو سلامة، والإنتاج نتفليكس زي ما قلنا، والمسلسل ده أول مسلسل مصري رعب بيعرض على نتفليكس. البطولة لأحمد أمين.
5 November.
5 November. So yeah, on 5th of November you will be able to watch the first episode. So today me and Maeva will watch the trailer and see what's gonna happen. It's the first time for me to watch it, by the way. And
I've seen it plenty of times. I've never seen it.
Okay. دلوقتي هنشوف التريلر. We're gonna watch the trailer for ما وراء الطبيعة. Can you say it? ما وراء الطبيعة.
وراء الطبيعة.
ما وراء الطبيعة.
ما وراء الطبيعة. There's a new one though. That one's 3 days ago. Sure, you should watch that one.
We can watch both. 2 trailers. So we're gonna watch this one. Maybe there's the same but different thumbnails.
No, I think this is an updated trailer. So they usually do 2.
Okay, we're gonna watch the first one now and then 5th of November.
Liars!
Okay, this is the first trailer. How do you feel about it?
Yeah?
It looks like...
I don't even know what's going on.
He was just talking about the cracky...
They should have made it more scary.
Yeah, so the main character is Muhammad Amin, and the rest of the people, I don't know any one of them. So,
oh, is he the only actor that you know?
Yeah, this is the only famous one, but
that's quite good for Netflix. I like when Netflix
but
does that.
Yeah, it's good as well because when it comes to scary things, if you know all the actors, you know they're acting, but when there's new faces, you'll feel like maybe they're already like scary. So we're gonna watch the second trailer as well.
It'd be funny if it's exactly the same.
No, it's not. So what I've noticed, there's another like character in the series Foreigner, like their accent is not really Arabic.
Oh, okay.
So looks like they had like more people like from different countries to be part of this series. But why didn't they hire me?
They didn't know.
So
available.
will you watch it? Especially on Netflix, you're gonna have like English subtitles.
Oh, is it coming to UK Netflix? I thought.
It's UK Netflix.
Oh, I thought it was a special that they did.
No.
Oh, fair enough. Yeah, who knows? But scary paranormal stuff scares me.
That was it, and hopefully it will be nice because right now I'm really looking for anything to start watching, and I'm waiting for 5th of November or 13th.
Both. That comes up next week, isn't it?
Yeah. So next weekend we can watch the first episode, and I will let you guys know Yeah.
You can watch it first and let me know.
Okay, I will watch it. That's it for the ما وراء الطبيعة or Paranormal. I hate Paranormal series, and bye. Just look at the clip. Make the clip.